Today I'm going to show how to set up communication between Raspberry Pi and the computer. I have this Raspberry Pi 3 model B plus board. It has lots of connector. As you can see, this side we have 4 USB ports, one Ethernet port. On this side we have a audio jack input, a HDMI port and a power connector. On the back side we have one memory card slot. To set up communication with the computer, we need this power connector to provide power to the board. You can use any mobile charger. On the back side, you have to connect a memory card. Your operating system will store in the memory card. And another thing we need this Ethernet port to communicate with the computer. So I have this 16 GB memory card. I will store my Raspberry Pi operating system in this memory card and connect with the system. I have this memory card reader. So let's connect this memory card to the computer first. Okay, I connected memory card to my computer. It is connected as F partition. Now we need a software, Raspberry Pi Imager. You can easily download this software from the Raspberry Pi website. I already downloaded this software, so I'm not going to download it. Let me start that software. Okay, so this software is look like this. First of all, we need to choose our device. So right now I have Raspberry Pi 3 model B plus device. So I will choose this option. Then need to choose operating system. There are lots of options available for us. So I'm going to choose this Raspberry Pi OS Lite version. It comes with node desktop environment, so we can able to access our operating system through terminal, and this OS is compatible with Raspberry Pi 3, 4 and many more versions. Let me select this. Then need to select the storage. So I have to select my USB device. Then click on next. Then it will ask us, would you like to apply OS customization setting? Click on edit settings. Here lots of options available. First of all is set hostname. You can set any hostname to your operating system. Then it asks us for username and password. You can provide a username and password for your operating system. Then also configure wireless LAN. Here you can provide your hotspot username and password. Also it asks us to set local settings like time zone and keyboard layout. Here in services, it asks us for SSH connection. You can check this enable SSH connection. This will help us to communicate between our Raspberry Pi and computer over Ethernet. Then another section is options. You can leave it as it is. Then click on save. Then click on yes, and it will ask us for all existing data on mass storage device will be erased. Are you sure you want to continue? Click on yes. Now it is preparing to write operating system into our SD card. Let's wait for writing complete. Okay, now writing is successful. It asks us you can remove SD card from the reader. Just click on continue. So I removed memory card from computer and inserted into this memory card slot. Here I will provide mobile charger supply. I have this mobile charger cable, so I will connect it here, and I have this Ethernet cable. One side is a Ethernet port which I will connect here on the Ethernet port of the board, and another side I have USB port which I will connect to the my computer. Okay, I did connection as I said and switch on the board. Let's move to the computer side for communication. At computer side, you need PuTTY software. Open it, click on SSH connection type. In place of host name, type Raspberry Pi dot local. Keep port number 22 as it is. Then click on open. A terminal window will open like this. Here it is asking us the credential which we provided at the time of writing operating system into memory card. Let me put my credential. After successful login, now we are able to access our Raspberry Pi board over the terminal. Okay, thanks for watching.